What's up? Today's video is about dice. Dice is a small throwable object with multiple resting positions used for generating random numbers. Dice are suitable for gambling devices, for games and non-gambling tabletop games. A traditional dice is a cube and has dots on it ranging from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Going to the basic topics of dice in math. The first thing is a standard dice has some of its numbers on the opposite faces 7. 1 plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 5 is 7 and at last 4 plus 3 is 7. And the second thing is the dice about which we discuss in math is not a standard dice. The dice where the assumptions of numbers is done on its faces is used. Then what is the use of using such dice is that the numbers which are assumed will be given with some placements and asked to find which number is opposite to which number. So let us go with an example. The assumed dice placements are given. There are 4 placements. These are the 4 die placements where the numbers are 4, 1, 2, 5, 3, 2, 6, 1, 4, 3, 4 and 2. When the numbers are like this, then you need to number the placements with 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here placement 1 and 2 have only one number common. So write them in clockwise direction. 2, 1, 4, 2, 3, 5. So 4 is opposite to 5, 1 is opposite to 3 and 2 is opposite to 6. Here we have taken 6 because the only left out number in the dice is 6. So this is the first type of question which arises in dice, and the second form is there will be only 2 dice placements. The 2 dice placements are like this: 4, 2 and 3, 4, 3 and 1. When the placements are like this with 2 numbers common, then ultimately 1 and 2 are opposite to each other. This is the second point or key point in dice. Next, before going to the third point, we need to know about how a dice is designated. For this, we take the help of a standard dice. We know that the opposite pairs in standard dice are 1, 6, 2, 5, 3 and 4. So there are 3 ways in which a dice can be designated. First, second, third, so these are the 3 type of designations of a dice. The question arising in these is which face is opposite to which face? Here this face is opposite to this one, this face is opposite to this one, and the remaining two are opposite to each other. And in this face is opposite to this one, this face is opposite to this, and the remaining two are opposite to each other. And in this face is opposite to this face is opposite to this, and the remaining two are opposite to each other. Yes, let us verify this with the illustrations. This is the first type, where 1 is opposite to 6, we can conclude that this face is opposite to this face. 2 is opposite to 5, we can conclude that this face is opposite to this face. 3 is opposite to 4, we can conclude that these both are opposite to each other. And when we fold it, it results in a standard cube. And next, the second type, it is this one. 1 is opposite to 6, this face is opposite to this face. 2 is opposite to 5, this face is opposite to this, and the remaining two are opposite to each other. And again, when we make a fold, again this piece results in a standard cube. Yes. Next, the third type. This is the third type, where 1 is opposite to 6 again, this face is opposite to this face. 2 is opposite to 5, this face is opposite to this one, and the remaining two are opposite to each other. And when this is folded, it results in a standard cube. So from this, the third question which will arise is, a model will be given So this is the model, and let us go with the options. So these are the three options. So these are the three options. First, let us analyze the question. This is opposite to this one. This is the first case, right? This is opposite to this one, and the remaining two are opposite. Let us write the opposite pairs first. Dot is opposite to plane. Slanting lines are opposite to colored one. Third one, sleeping lines are opposite to dots. Yes, these are the three things we analyze from this question. And going to the options, to choose the options, we need to check that none of the opposite pairs are adjacent in the options. Going to the first option, dot, yes, sleeping lines and colored. It means that none of them are pairs. So this may be right. Next, dot, white color or plain one, and then a dotted structure. Here white and dot are opposite pairs but are given adjacent in the options, so this is not true. And the next one is dotted structure, sleeping lines. Here these two are opposite pairs but are given adjacent to each other, so this is false. So the option 1 is correct. These are the 3 ways in which the questions may arise in DICE. Thank you guys for watching my videos. In my further videos, I'll show you something more very interesting in math. If you want about any topic in math, you can please mention the topic name in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, share as well.